Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you've all had a lovely half term. This is our first assembly that will be going to those families at home, but also those children who are back in the building. Just before we start the assembly, I just want you all to remember that no matter where you all are, and this goes to all of our staff as well, we're all Margaret Mary's School. The building is just bricks and mortar, and every single one of you is what makes our school as outstanding as it is. So I want us to think about all of those people, those in the building and those at home. And I want us to keep those people in our hearts so that we all can be back together as a big family soon. And we can start with the sign of the cross. So in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. And as we are entering the month of June, which is devoted to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, we'll start with prayer. So our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. I'm going to start with a question for you all. What's the greatest gift you've ever received? I want you to think about that. It could be something for a birthday, it could be something for a Christmas. It could be something that a family member or a friend has got you. I want us to think about the importance of that gift and why it was so special to us all. Because today we're going to be talking about a very special gift that we were all given. And this gift came from God. And this gift came in the form of tongues of fire. And this gift came after Jesus had ascended to heaven. And his apostles were scared for their lives. And this gift came on the feast of Pentecost. After Jesus had ascended to heaven, the apostles waited for a sign and gathered in Jerusalem. This was also the feast of Pentecost, where Jews from all around the world came together. The apostles were in a room together. And suddenly the room was filled with wind. And then tongues of fire appeared above each of their heads, showed God's presence. God had used fire throughout the Old Testament to show his presence, be that from Moses with the burning bush, to when he came as a pillar of fire to the tabernacle to show the Jewish people about his presence. These apostles had received the gift of the Holy Spirit, and the fire showed that God's presence was there. But unlike before, God's presence was with each of them individually. These people were to become spokespeople for God. They were to spread the word with the gift they had been given. They could speak in different tongues and different languages. No matter the crowds, they had the strength to speak out the message. And the message was that Jesus Christ, who had been crucified, died, and rose from the dead and ascended to heaven to be with his Father, and that God was the most powerful being in the whole universe. And no matter their language, they all understood. So what does Pentecost mean to us today in 2020? Well, first thing we have to realise is that God didn't just send the Holy Spirit to his apostles 2,000 years ago and then that was it. The Holy Spirit is something that exists to this day. It's the energy that drives us forward. It's the energy that drives our faith. You can see it in action. You can feel it. You can use it. It should be part of everyday life. It's a gift that God has given to us all, and all we have to do is say thank you and accept it. It's not something just for a certain group of people. It's a gift for us all. The Holy Spirit's a gift that keeps on giving. It gives us wisdom and knowledge, the ability to understand God, reverence, courage, right judgment and awe and wonder, the ability to see, feel God in everything, God as perfection. In Margaret Mary School, we only have to open our eyes to see the Holy Spirit at work. It exists in all of you. It exists in everything that you do. Prayer, service, knowledge, aspiration. These 4 key principles are all vehicles for the Holy Spirit. And that's why it's such a fantastic school to work in. Because for us grown-ups, it fills us with the Holy Spirit, working with you. So today, we celebrate Pentecost. Today we celebrate the birthday of the church. So happy birthday. We are the church. We'll keep going forward. We'll keep doing what we do because we were given the greatest gift of the Holy Spirit. And that Holy Spirit is with every single one of us. So remember to use it. And if we do use it, it is the gift that keeps on giving. So on our prayer hands, I want us to take our thumbs, which represent those people that are closest to us. And I want us to keep those people in our hearts and really want us to pray that those closest to us can open themselves up to the Holy Spirit if they haven't already. Because if they do, and when they do, the world will be a better place. So our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Saint Margaret Mary, pray for us. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So thank you very much for listening. I know that you've all got work set this week regarding Pentecost. And later on in the week, I think on Thursday, I'll be putting together a Pentecost meditation. So please listen in if you get the chance. Remember the Holy Spirit. Take some time, because it gives you the gift to see the ordinary become something extraordinary. It gives us the chance to see things through a new set of eyes. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.